Sloane?
Yogurt.
It's not yogurt. What is it? It's pudding.
Pudding.
Pudding?
Yeah.
What is it?
Pudding.
It's pudding? Is it good? Are you all done? Are you going? Oh, yummy. Do you like pudding? Cold? What are you doing? Sonic. Is it cold? Pudding? Cold? Are you all done? Mm. Yeah? Oh. You want what? A fork?
Yeah.
You don't need a fork for pudding. You eat pudding with a spoon. What have you got in your hand? Hand? Where's your other hand? The spoon. Where's your spoon? Oh no, that's not how we eat our pudding. Oh dear. Okay, say I love pudding. Sloane? I love pudding. Sloane, can you say I love pudding? Sloane. Oh dear. What are you doing? What are you doing with your pudding? Sloane? Sloane? What are you doing with your pudding? Sloane? What are you doing with your pudding?